Okay, alright, here we go, boys. Best game in the whole wide world right here. So I had to come up with a clever name. I based it off my Hour 8 project, so it's just called Hour 8. But let me show you what this game do. It's basically one of those fun rollerball. Oh, hold on a second. What is it? Not Max Level. Alright, so it's one of those fun volleyball games where the player object is the entire board. So what I'm going to be doing is rolling this whole ass board. You see that? I got these little cute collectibles. Ah, nuts. Ah, nuts to butts. Hold on a second. Alright, keep this a little wider so you can see the cool score counter I have in the corner. I don't know why, but the screen recorder stopped letting me record audio, so hopefully you can hear it through my computer speakers. You get a fun little clinky sound every time you get one of these here stars. And that's going to bump up your score. Ooh, don't hit the spike balls, because supplies. If you hit the spike balls, it's all over for you. So, you can see I have these all animated spinning in a very threatening manner. Ooh boy, very quickly, very threateningly, get the flip away. Okay, alright. I may have outdone myself with this game. Not in the sense that this is a good game, but entirely in the sense that this is a difficult game. I like difficult games. I played Dark Souls. I'm not gonna say this is like Dark Souls difficult, but it is Dark Souls frustrating because I'm doing so much better than I ever anticipated doing. It's difficult. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get through the whole thing right now. Oh boy, here with you. Oh boy. Oh boy. And I fucking died. Sorry, cursing is not for academics. If I had a better recording software, I could bleep that out. So basically, you smack your little ball onto one of these goobers. Bang. You flip-flop and die. And you flip-flop and lose. So you can see over here we got a end goal we're trying to do. We're trying to get to this big emerald gem. And if I was a better player, I would get there and I would show you. But this game is brutally difficult. So I don't think I'm going to get there by conventional means to show you what it looks like to win this game. I might have been a big goober. I swear to Bob Saget, if I... I was a big goober about it. I'm gonna be a little spaghetti. Oop. Alright, hold on a second. We're gonna just fast track this on the best gamer in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so check it out. Bada bing, bada boom, I'm the best gamer in the whole wide world. I got all the way to the end because I am a champion. And when you finally get here, you just bump on the little diamond here. Check a look, bada bing, my score is 13. I'm the best gamer in the whole wide world. The best gamer in the whole world. Ain't nobody better than me. So, yeah, that's my whole video game. I hope you loved it. It took me a long time to make it, a lot longer than I anticipated. But it works. It works completely, and very proud of that. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because this is a very active and used YouTube channel. Thanks, bye-bye.